Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix Safari not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First solution you have, turn on and off airplane mode 2 or 3 times. So then you have turn on and off, turn on and off, turn on and off 2 or 3 times on your iPhone. Then second solution you have, disable the background app refresh. So then you have open the setting and then click on general, click on background app refresh. So I have already turned off. Then you have must be turn off on your iPhone. Then third solution you have while using the Safari, uh, so you have turn on location service on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting, click on privacy, click on location service. So then you have turn on your iPhone while you have used the Safari browser on your iPhone. Then fourth solution you have turn off VPN. So then you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on VPN. So I have already disconnect, so then you have disconnect from your iPhone, not be connected while you have using the Safari browser. Then another solution you have remove all history and website data. So then you have again open the setting, click on iPhone storage. So then you have click from here Safari. So then you have click on her. So then you have uh, click on Safari. So then you have, oh sorry guys, so then you have go back from here, open the setting, and then you have click on here Safari. So then you have scroll up, then you have click on clear history and website data from here. Then another solution you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your problem will be fixed. Other solution you have reset network settings. So you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then if you have enter a passcode, do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all network setting. Then last solution you have update iOS latest version. So you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you have must be installed on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.